Reactions of metals. A. Reaction of metals with oxygen. Metals combine with oxygen on heating in air and metal oxides are formed. Sodium and potassium are very reactive metals. Sodium metal combines with oxygen in the air even at room temperature and forms sodium oxide. 4Na solid plus O2 gas gives 2Na2O solid. On exposure to air, sodium readily catches fire. Therefore, to prevent accident in the laboratory or elsewhere, it is kept in kerosene. Oxides of some metals are soluble in water. They react with water to form alkali. Na2O solid plus H2O liquid gives 2NaOH aqueous. We know that magnesium oxide is formed on burning magnesium ribbon in the air. Magnesium oxide reacts with water to form an alkali called magnesium hydroxide. Let's see the reactions. 2Mg solid plus O2 gas gives 2MgO solid. MgO plus H2O gives MgOH twice.